video. Oh my God. Marissa, what the fuck? I thought that was... I thought that was the kid. Oh my God. You're fucking crazy, Muriel.
Mom got me coming.
What the hell? I was just with you guys. Because I thought it was the kids.
Then you might want to call him.
He started talking to me. He was...
Okay.
Y'all are crazy. Oh my God.
Happy birthday. It's midnight. Happy birthday. Listen, okay?
Officially midnight.
It's officially, okay?
Happy birthday.
D's not here, so I had to make sure.
D's right here.
No,
D's
I'm
on
saying.
the phone.
Yeah. He's not here live.
Yo, I was on the phone with him. And then the pot la frappe, me dit, babe, moi put fleur, me dit, babe, tell me, the kids are here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So, you know, he couldn't wait. He didn't want it to be delivered, you know, at 10 a.m. because it's too late night to figure it out.
Oh,
So, I've been working with this flower.
baby,
this
thank
afternoon.
you.
So, be like,
oh my
D, I'm
God.
like, we're coming at midnight to deliver it.
This is huge, guys. Oh, the pearls. Oh my. I cannot believe this.
Oh, there's a bee written on it, so you have to see the bee.
There's a bee?
Yes.
What's the bee?
The colors is a bee. This is the letter B.
What the
The
F?
letter B, you see?
Oh my God, look at this. So, babe,
Okay.
thank you, my love. Oh.
So, ready. Before, only for when we make it.
Quickly. Here's the book. Oh my God.
I had to write a small
My
spot.
love, mi preciosa, maman petite mwen. Chaque let date sa arrive, m toujou ekri ou, men sa pa empêche que chaque grain mot ak chaque feeling ki deye, chaque phrase yo différent. Et puis vin pi long. M kalkile quantité nuit ak jour nou pase ensemble. Nous pas jamais qu'à contrôler mes ilamour moins gain dans kem pour yo. Marita's handwriting is fucked up. Qui ça?
Oh, where's the phone?
Where's your phone?
Where's my phone?
Oh
so I
my
can read?
God,
Because I was
yo,
trying to make
this
it work.
handwriting is
Oh.
killing me.
Man.
Like,
I told you needed to get on your phone.
yo, this handwriting. Oh my, are you serious,
Okay.
babe?
Okay.
You said this whole thing to her?
Elle a mort.
Mes amis, ok, mes ilamour gen kem pou. Jodi a se fè tout love, pa gen aucun cadeau ke m ka oufo ki ka vraiment exprimer la jè l'amour mwen gen pou. Ni jam sentim, laisse pour. Nan jou sa, m'a de bon Dieu pour ba ou la paix en abondance, la santé en abondance, l'amour en abondance, richesse en abondance, et surtout kembe ou sou route li pour rien pa ka dérouter ou ni empêcher ou avancer. Nan jou sa, pour continuer à avancer avec ou, même gens, toujours qu'on fait. Moi, mon pile bi, et c'est pas dernière fois m'a dit ça. Tout l'amour nan kem gen non marqué là dans nous plein kem, ou rempli kem, ou volé kem, c'est ou lié. Make all of this fit in this little
So
card.
they say the
I feel you.
indéfini.
I feel you. Now I understand. I feel you. Thank you so much.